Hello everybody, hope all of you are safe at your home. Today we will learn a lesson from Treasure of Value of Standard 3. The name of our first chapter is Chunmun and Tuk Tuk. It is a story of two mice and their lifestyle. What is about self-discipline? So, before we start the story, we should know at first that what is discipline in life. Discipline helps to train a person's mind and character, building a sense of self-control and the practice of obedience. Self-discipline is a form of freedom. Freedom from laziness and lethargy, and also freedom from weakness, fear and doubt. Now, we go through the story and learn all these things. Once, there was a little mouse named Chunmun. Chunmun lived in a big house. His home was very comfortable as it had all the facilities. There was warm water to bathe, lots of food to eat and plenty of clothes to wear. Chunmun enjoyed living in his home and so never came out of his home. So in this para, we learned that Chunmun had very comfortable life, means he had very luxurious life. He had all the facilities at his home, so he thought that he did not have to go anywhere else for buying or collecting any things. One day, Chunmun's friend Tuk Tuk came to live with him. So, Tuk Tuk is Chunmun's friend. Despite all the comforts in the home, every day Tuk Tuk went for a walk. Despite means in spite of. Means in spite of all the facilities, Tuk Tuk did not spend any time at his home with a luxury. He every day went for a walk. Tuk Tuk also used to go out to get food and other necessary things. Whenever Tuk Tuk asked Chunmun to come along, Chunmun used to hide under his blanket, saying it was cold outside. So whenever Tuk Tuk went for the walk, always try to ask Chunmun to join with him. But every day Tuk Tuk gave him some excuses. Tuk Tuk tried explaining to him and said, Chunmun, we should be disciplined in our day-to-day activities. Just because it is cold outside does not mean that we should become lazy. However, Chunmun always used to ignore him. So, whenever Tuk Tuk asked Chunmun for a walk, every time he gave lots of excuses and did not go with him. Slowly the weather changed. Winter came with a beautiful snowfall in the city. With every passing day, snowfall increased and was now covering the entire area. Now the winter came and we all know that in winter, where is the hilling area, there have snowfall. So like this area, they lived there. The days went by and now residents were worried as no food was left. So the two friends decided to dig a tunnel through the snow to find some food. The two friends means Tuk Tuk and Chunmun. But as soon as Chunmun touched the cold snow, he felt terribly cold. He was extremely hungry. Chunmun thought he would soon die and started crying. So here, as Chunmun passed his life in very luxury, so he did not face that cold situations, that winter. He was extremely hungry. he felt terribly cold and did not go through the tunnel to collect the food. On the other hand, Tuk Tuk, he dug the tunnel properly and go for searching food. Chunmun thought he would soon die and started crying. On the other hand, Tuk Tuk was all set to go out in the cold weather as he was quite habitual of going out. So, Tuk Tuk encouraged Chunmun and he also started digging the tunnel. As I told previous that whereas Chunmun belonged a luxurious life and Tuk Tuk also had all the facilities like Chunmun, but in spite of all these facilities, he every day maintained his daily routine. Now Tuk Tuk helped Chunmun to digging the tunnel. Soon Tuk Tuk dug a tunnel through the snow and also got food for both of them. Chunmun thought that he used to think of his friend's self-discipline as a wastage of time. But in fact, due to his friend's discipline, their lives were saved. Consequently, Chunmun realized his mistake and decided to live his life in a disciplined manner. So, in the last para, what we learned? That Chunmun thought previously that Tuk Tuk wasted his time, but in fact, due to his friend's discipline, at that situation, that extremely cold situations, he saved his life. So now he realized that each and every person must have a self-discipline because it makes ourselves strong from the inner power.